Today I will talk about calcitonin. What is calcitonin? Calcitonin, it is a polypeptide having 32 amino acids. From where it is secreted? Unlike parathormone that was secreted by parathyroids. Calcitonin, it is secreted from parafollicular or C cells of thyroid gland. We had talked about this thing when I was teaching you thyroid gland, that calcitonin, it is secreted from C cells of thyroid gland. Okay. Its molecular weight is around 3500, half-life is less than 10 minutes. Whenever there is rise in plasma calcium, more than 9.5 mg per deciliter, there is secretion of calcitonin. On the contrary, how was parathormone secreted? Just for the quick revision, fall in calcium was secreting parathormone, but rise in calcium is secreting calcitonin. What are the physiological actions of calcitonin? It opposes the bone resorptive action of parathormone. Its action is opposite to that of parathormone. Okay, parathormone was secreted when calcium was low. It has to increase calcium. How would it increase? By taking it from the bone. But opposite to that, calcitonin is secreted when there is high plasma. So basically it has to decrease the plasma calcium. How will it decreases? By opposing the resorption. जो बोन में है वो बोन पे ही रहे, रिजॉर्ब उसको नहीं करना है, बोन से नहीं लेना है हमको. ओके. Secondly, it will increase the loss of calcium and phosphate in the urine by its phosphaturic action. Okay. It will inhibit the absorption of calcium and phosphate from gut. Okay. Main very important point to memorize here is calcitonin. It protects pregnant mothers from bone loss in pregnancy. Okay. So it is a gift of nature, we can say. Calcitonin हमें दिया हुआ है, प्रेग्नेंट फीमेल्स को प्रोटेक्ट करेगा. कैसे? प्रेगनेंसी में बोन लॉस को नहीं होने देगा. ओके. इट विल अपोज द बॉन रिजॉर्प्टिव एक्शन ऑफ पैराथॉर्मोन. थैंक यू वेरी